today let's start with chapter number 10, log on to Flash CS3. So in this chapter we will study about Macromedia Flash, जिसे हम Adobe Flash भी कहते हैं. What we call it, Adobe Flash or Shockwave Flash. It become popular program to create animation, advertisement, web page and presentations. And its introduction in 1996. It is even used to program games and internet applications. So basically, Macromedia Flash is an animation tool that run on your computer as well as on the internet using Flash Player. It is now widely used to create animated and interactive advertisement for the web page. This kind of advertisement is more effective than static advertisement because of the animation as well as sound and music, right? It can create whole web page and it is a live layer that plain HTML. List of applications that you can build with Micro Flash Media is endless. Now starting Flash. Now to log into Flash, you will click on Start button, choose all program, click on Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Right? आप इस पे click करेंगे and then the Flash workspace will be shown. It will have stage, menu bar, tool panel, timeline, properties पे. So एक rectangular workspace होता है जहाँ पे भी आपको content लिखना है, उसको हम stage कहते हैं. Menu bar यहाँ पे कुछ common functions and commands होते हैं. Tool panel, set of tools or drawing, painting, selecting and modifying object. Timeline, fixed window which remains on the top of every object. Properties panel, combination होता है different elements का which are required for modifying settings. Right? These are the different tools you can see. This is layer, this is tool panel, this is menu bar, this is your stage. ये आपकी timeline है जो यहाँ पे show हुई. ये panel है, this is properties panel. Now creating a new flash. Now if you want to create a new flash, so for that you will select file, new option, the new document dialog box appear. Choose the flash file option, click OK, select modify document or document properties dialog box appear. Now using the tool panel. So first is rectangle tool. It is used for creating squares. So आपको squares और rectangle create करना है, then you will use rectangular tool. Right? उसके बाद आप properties stroke का use करोगे. You will go to properties inspector, then you will select the fill color. Hold and drag the move cursor on the stage. Right? Then we have poly star. It is used to draw polygon as well as star figure. Follow the steps. Click on drop down menu of the rectangular tool. Click on poly star, properties inspector option tool, setting dialog box appear. A list will there. You will specify the number of slides. For the start point size, you will specify the number between 0 and 1 in the start point. You will click OK, right? Then we have line tool. So using line tool, you can draw different shapes. You can select different ways of drawing. You also use straight icon like this, and below is a screen dump that demonstrates difference between stroke and freehand and smooth drawing. Pencil tool, ये freehand drawing है. With the pencil tool, you make drawings like a pen. However, there is an optional support to draw a straight line or smooth line like drawing with the mouse. Now we have selection tool. So selection tool, it is used to select one or more object on the stage. For selecting a stroke, field, text block or group, you will select the selection tool. For selecting a file shape and its stroke outline, double click on the shape. The field shape and its outline can be selected by drawing a square selection bar. Now lasso tool, it is a freehand selection tool for selecting irregular shaped areas of an object. On selecting this tool, magic wand tool, your magic wand setting polygon mode tool appears in the option, right? Now eraser tool, the lines and the fills of the object. Text tool, it is used to type on the screen, right? Now brush tool, which lets you to create drawing and lines in the drawing. Now object or merge mode. Merge mode होता है only can paint fill. Object mode वो strokes add कर सकता है to your painting. Brush mode, option and section that you can use to select it. Now we have paint normal. जब आपको normal filling करनी है आप उससे कर सकते हो. Paint fills अगर कोई empty areas को आप leave कर दिया. Painted behind जब आपको states के वहाँ पे करना है. Paint selection applies a new fill selection, right? Now paint inside fills the area with the fills, right? And no line. इसमें कोई भी line नहीं होती है. Paint bucket, it works like ink burner. आपने उठाया और पूरा जब आपको color करना है. So first click on the paint bucket tool, fill the color, whatever color you want to fill, right? You can gap sizes also. देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन द शेप, आपने बकेट लाई और यहाँ पे फिल करा, फुल कलर विल बी डन. इंक बॉटल इट इज यूज फॉर चेंजिंग द स्ट्रोक. अगर आप स्ट्रोक चेंज करना चाहते हो तो आप स्ट्रोक भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. Select the ink bottle tool, select the stroke color, style as well as thickness on the line from property inspector. You will click on the line to draw object with the help of ink bottle for applying different properties, right? Next is using frame by frame method. So animation is a flash creating frames. It is a flash are the little rectangular cells जो appear करते हैं timeline. Key frames क्या होते हैं? Special type of frames that you can define modification in the object. Now drawing a star. You will choose any color from the stroke color, right? आप fill color picker को use करेंगे. जैसे आपने green color दिया, आप drop down arrow को rectangle tool पे ले जाएंगे and choose a Polestar tool to draw a star. हमने Polestar tool का use करके star draw करा. अब आप इसको animate करना चाहते हो. So how you will do it? First of all, select the second frame in the timeline. Click on Insert menu, keyframe 1. Make a little change in the position of the star using selection tool. Change the color of the star. Then you will click on the third frame of the timeline and press F6. You will move the star little and click on the fourth frame and F for inserting keyframe. Move the star towards right and modify its color. You will continue to insert keyframes by just doing the steps given above and away. Now you can preview the animation by clicking Control Text Mode. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. First is tick the correct option. Flash is an Dash software package animation. Dash is a rectangular workspace area where the content are placed. Dash consists of a tool for drawing, painting and selecting modify. That is tool panel. This tool likes you to paint. तो कौन सा tool होता है? Brush tool. Dash is used to draw polygon as well as a star figure. That is Polestar. That consists of control of functions and command. That is menu bar. Now fill in the blanks. Dash is a rectangular workspace where the content are placed or drawing and movies are created. तो आपका क्या है? Stage. Dash is a combination of different elements required for modifying setting. That is timeline. Dash is a fixed window which remains on top of every object in the workspace. That is timeline. Dash control the period of time of the movie. तो क्या control करता है? Layers. Dash tool is used for changing the stroke color, width and style of the lines or shape. तो आपके stroke. Write T for true and F for false statement. Animation is a flash. In animation in flash are created using frames. Frames का use करके हम create करते हैं. It's true. Eraser tool allows you to paint a shape. False. Erase करने के लिए. Menu bar consists of control of common functions and command. It's true. Polestar is the freehand selection tool which can be used for selecting irregular shapefalls. Rectangle tool is used for creating squares and other rectangle shape. It's true. Every image is created in the flash contain a stroke and a fill. Now answer the following. What is flash और flash का uses क्या होते हैं? आपको steps बता रहे to create a new flash. What is a stage and what is the use of property panel? Name 3 drawing and 3 coloring tool. Paint bucket tool क्या होता है? मैंने आपको भी explain करा था. And how is frame by frame method used to animate an object? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.